Hello and welcome to our Monday morning weekly options lineup here with DoubleUp Trading. Thank you all so much for joining us this morning. Please stay tuned for the introduction video we'll be posting to our channel soon, which will tell you more about who we are and what we do here at DoubleUp Trading. For now, let's get started. This morning we placed a total of 2 options orders, with both expiring this Friday, January 9th. So far, our options lineup for the week consists of 10 QuantumScape expiring January 9th. It's an $11 put and it executed for 26 cents, which is just shy of 2.5%. We also placed an order for 10 Red Cat expiring Friday, January 9th. Strike price of $9. It's a put and it hasn't executed yet, but we've placed the limit in at 20 cents, which would be slightly over 2% of our original strike price. So what does all this mean? Where does that leave us? So far, we've already made $260 in premium this week, and we still have 1 open order waiting to execute. Be sure to come back this Wednesday for our midweek update, where I'll be going over open orders and any other relevant news we have to discuss. Keep in mind, if you want to learn more about options trading, percentages, what we look for, or how we do what we do, feel free to follow us here or check out the description for more ways to keep in touch. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Take it easy and have a good one.